right, so I'm working on this Infinity Q60 twin turbo. The guy bought it with it's a flood car. All right, so he wants to make sure that the motor's not hydro locked. Look at this, water first got in here, so that's a first sign. That's a bad sign, right? Look at all this. Look at this. I don't know, that's water. Okay, look at the spark plugs. All right, so all the spark plugs are out, right? I pull all the spark plugs out. Now this is my breaker bar and I'm trying to spin it. Look, see, look at that, look at that. Okay, no good. It's a wrap for this car. Don't buy flood cars.